Hey, do you think if I hit this ramp fast enough, I can clear all of them? You think so? Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome to another beautiful day. I for one am spending this lovely morning getting gas. So today's going to be a little leisurely ride. Oh, well, that's not good. It'll buff. Oh wow, leaky forks too. Oh well, I guess this bike is due for some maintenance, right? So I want to make this video a little bit sooner. Unfortunately, I worked all week, so I wasn't able to get out when all this shit started happening. As you're aware, with the killing of George Floyd, everybody was going crazy. The riots, the looting, all of this stuff happening. I really wanted to get out on a bike to kind of show it happening in California. I wasn't able to, so this video is a little like a week late of when all this shit started happening. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to kind of capture. I think a lot of the stuff is already fixed, like different businesses and stuff like that. If anything, you may just see some boards on the windows. But I really just kind of wanted to get through Oakland first. This stuff actually hit really close to my house. There's literally a gun store right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it with the green roof. They were hit sometime last week, I think Tuesday or something. I think it was like 60 to 70 guns were stolen. So pretty crazy, pretty scary, because it was hitting close to home. Like I said, I live in this area. I really wasn't too nervous or too concerned. Everything kind of subsided now, with all those cops being charged. I think they bumped, I forgot his name. I'm terrible with names, guys. The cop that actually murdered George Floyd with his knee on his neck, he actually got charged with second-degree murder. So pretty crazy. I'm not really going to go into details of stuff and where I side with everything. I don't like to get really political. This isn't a political channel at all. I kind of just want to ride through Oakland, to be honest with you, and see what it looks like. Maybe ride through San Francisco. I'm kind of trying to stick with a current events timeline, so it's very difficult to come out with the two videos that I filmed, like, I don't know, it was a good like 2 or 3 weeks ago. But with that, I'm gonna shut the camera down. Camera stayed rolling, so that works. Once I get closer, I'll pick this video back up again. Ooh, I smell bacon. Something smells really good.
1 hour later.
Well, for some odd reason, my GoPro turned off again. So I don't know where the fuck I left off. It's really frustrating that this thing just turns off randomly, like for no reason. It's never done this before. Now all of a sudden it turns off like every chance it can get. I think it's time to bust out the GoPro 8 and take this one and throw it in the garbage. So I think this video is going to be a big old flop. Son of a bitch. I am just so sick of this. This GoPro is really terrible. I've had nothing but problems with it. Like, I don't get why this GoPro is such a piece of shit. Hi, puppy. So I have no idea where I left off. I have no idea what I was talking about. I guess we're not gonna f***ing figure that out. Not for a while. I guess I'll just start talking again about stuff that I was already talking about, because I don't know if... Oh, what do we have here? I'm gonna try to get out in front of it. Try looping around. I'm gonna try to get out in front of it. Oh shit, it's way up there. Alright, we have to pull some ballsy moves over here, people. Oh yeah, it's way out there. We're gonna get in front of it, I promise. Go ahead, Miss FedEx. go, 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 go. Come on, you have a bicycle. I can get through faster on my motorcycle. We're gonna get out in front, people. I promise. I promise you. Still going up over here. Can I go that way? Can I go this way? Now the real question is which way is it going? I don't know if it's going down there or possibly going up this way. We're gonna go down, we're gonna loop around real quick. I don't know which way they're going. I don't even know why I'm doing this, to be honest with you. We'll see where they're going. Got the helicopter out there. Yeah, I called it a helicopter. Because they're going this way now, so they're probably going down towards the wharf. Granted, I'll probably be caught in here. Dude, they're literally like right here. Let me put my gloves on. I saw that. Peaceful protest, people. This is I don't see anything wrong with this. That girl has some armpit hair. I guess I'm gonna be sitting here for a minute. Sorry, guys. Oh, hi, puppy. Just here for the dogs. His sign says I only bite races. Holy shit. That's a sight. The thing that makes it difficult is because they're taking up the whole road. I can't get in there to give them some rev bombs, man, to show a little support. See something like this where everyone's kind of just coming together and doing a peaceful little march. Nothing wrong with that. That to me is unity, because I don't know, people are just tired. They're just tired of everything going on in this world. Any cops? No. What? Let's go up here. Yeah, no lessons except for Muni. Well, there ain't no one here, so. Biggest crowd in San Francisco, I can't find them. We're just going through all sorts of red lights and shit. I don't care. Let's go up this way. It's a tunnel though, so I got y'all. They're gonna hate me because I'm gonna be going back up through that tunnel. These people are gonna fucking absolutely hate me. I promise I'll keep it down this time for you guys. Oh, dude, you're fucking. That man is dragging something. How the hell did I miss that? I ended up way on the other side of San Francisco. How the hell did that happen? No, I gotta get gas anyway. I'm gonna go fill up. Alright, so I gotta end this video in a little bit different of a fashion. So I have no idea what happened, but all the footage from the end of this video is gone. Thin air, just vanished. I'm not entirely sure how it happened. It must have been between when I had 2 different videos on this GoPro. Maybe I uploaded and stuff didn't upload, and I was transferring to different hard drives. So in that process, film got lost. I also noticed in the beginning of this video, I did not catch the Oakland ride. I don't know where that footage went either. I don't even know if my camera was recording, to be honest with you. So my camera likes to turn off every once in a while. I don't know why, like it just does it. And I have to pick my words pretty wisely when I talk, because my GoPro is voice activated. So I guess I'll just do my little outro right now. I am currently on my way to base right now. I have to take care of a test. Yes, on my Saturday I still have to come into work and do a test. I was supposed to do it during the week and I forgot. Oh well. So with that, if you guys did make it to the end of this video, you guys are real MVPs. Again, I do apologize. I don't know what's going on with this GoPro, why it gives me so much problems and fights me every single time. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, or lack thereof. If you guys aren't already doing so, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Also, smash that notification bell so you guys are aware when I upload a new video. Got smashed in the face by a bee. If you guys are into cars, definitely head over to my second channel. That channel is all car stuff, no bike related stuff at all. I want to go ahead and say I love each and every single one of you guys. Applause for all my men. But with that, I need all of y'all to stay hungry, stay humble, stay motivated in all of your life goals. Come on! Change! Always remember, success never comes easy. You guys gotta work your ass off for it. Oh, we gotta make this light. No, we didn't make the light. Your boy Machine here, and I will see you guys on the next one. Later.
I swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion.